Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with Hootsuite, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To scale your social media management with Hootsuite, start by logging into your Hootsuite account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface, which includes streams, analytics, and scheduling tools. Next, connect your social media accounts by selecting the My Profile icon in the top right corner. In the menu, click on Social Networks and Teams. From there, choose Connect to Social Network. Select the platforms you want to manage, such as Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Follow the prompts to authorize Hootsuite to access your accounts. Once your accounts are connected, create a social media strategy. Identify your target audience and determine the types of content they engage with. Use the Hootsuite content library to store and organize your media assets. Next, create a content calendar to plan your posts in advance. Choose Publisher from the left-hand menu. Click on Create a Post to start drafting your content. Use the scheduling feature to select dates and times for your posts. Take advantage of the auto-schedule function for optimal posting times. Monitor your post performance by navigating to the Analytics section. Analyze engagement metrics and adjust your strategy accordingly. Utilize Hootsuite's listening tools to track brand mentions and industry trends. This will help you stay informed and relevant within your niche. Collaborate with your team by using Hootsuite's assignment tool. This allows you to delegate tasks for content creation and monitoring. Finally, regularly review your social media strategy for areas of improvement. Scaling with Hootsuite requires ongoing adjustments and analysis. By following these steps, you'll enhance your social media management efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.